Today I am going to solve a very interesting Excel challenge. The data is very simple, but the logic behind it is very powerful. So you can see I have a list of numbers. This is actually the login time, but the structure is not consistent. The length of the value is either 4 or 5 or 6 characters. First, I will identify where the minutes starts. If the length is either 4 or 5, so the position of the minute will be 2. If the length is 6, so the minutes starts from the third position. To begin with, I will use the len function to return the length. If I press enter, now I have 4 or 5 or 6. I will divide this number by 2. Now I have the start number. I have 2, 2.53. Though it is 2.5, but the start number will be 2. So that means it will be considered as a 2. Now I will use the mid function to extract the minute number. Mid. The first argument is text. So I have to provide this list, right, comma. In the start argument, I have already provided the start number, right, comma. In the number characters, I will write 2 as I want to extract the two numbers. Now you can see I have the minute numbers. I will store this result in a variable by writing let function let. Before I will store this range in a variable, so I will write a and select this range because I have to reuse it in several times. Now I will define a name for my minute numbers, so it will be b. I'll write comma. Now I will use the time function, and you can see first I have to provide hour, and the hour is the value before the. So I will use the text before function. The text will be a, which is my range, right, comma. In the delimiter, I'll write b. So it will return the value before my minute. I'll close the bracket, right, comma. In the minute, I'll write b, right, comma, and the third argument is second, so I have to provide a value here, and the value is the number after minute. So I will use the text after function to return the second. The text will be a and the delimiter will be b. I'll close the bracket and close the bracket, press enter. Now I have decimal value. I will transform this value into time. So I have to change the number format. So this is my expected time. I can combine the name column by using HSTACK function. I'll select the name, right, comma, and close the HSTACK function, press enter. Now my result looks fine, and I hope you like my approach. But there are many other solutions shared by the expert in the comment section of my LinkedIn post. I'll share the link for your help. In the next video, I'll solve the same problem using Power Query. See you then, and thanks for watching this video.